In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the beginning balance in QuickBooks Online. It's a straightforward process that should only take you about 5 minutes, whether you're a seasoned user or just starting out with QuickBooks. First, you'll want to sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Head over to the QuickBooks website and find the sign in button. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you're already registered, just type in your login details and hit continue. If you're new, you might have to follow some steps to get your account set up. Now that you're logged in, let's navigate to the Transactions tab. This is where the magic happens. You'll find this tab on the left-hand side of your screen. Once you click on it, you're going to see a list of options. The one we're interested in is the Chart of Accounts. So go ahead and click on that. The Chart of Accounts is essentially a detailed list of all your company's financial accounts. Look through until you find the account you need to adjust, and then click on View Register. This register is where you'll make the changes you need. Inside the register, you're going to look for a line item called Opening Balance. Depending on your account activity, it might be right at the top, or you'll have to scroll a bit. Once you've located it, click on it to open the details. Now, it's time to edit the amount. Perhaps your beginning balance was initially set up incorrectly, or maybe you've just received some new information that affects that balance. Whatever the reason, you can now change the figure to the correct amount. Be sure to double check this figure before proceeding to avoid having to make further adjustments later on. Accuracy will keep your accounts aligned and your reporting accurate. After making the necessary changes, you're almost done. Just one more step. Look for the Save button, usually found near the bottom of the screen. Click on it to ensure all your changes are correctly updated in the system. If you skip this step, none of your edits will be recorded and you'll be back to square one. And that's it, you've successfully changed the beginning balance in QuickBooks Online. Remember, keeping your balances accurate is a crucial part of effective accounting and financial management. It can impact your business decisions, loan approvals, and even tax calculations. Make it a point to regularly review your balances and update them as soon as discrepancies arise. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to check out more of our content for additional QuickBooks tips and other helpful financial guides.